Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 179 with a market cap of about $217 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $84 million. And today we are going to be looking at what is our price prediction right here for YFI by Christmas, right? And so we have a 25% push right here for this month, right here for YFI. And so basically, we would just look at the chart. So without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the weekly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And as you can see, we had this push in 2023. We came down, retraced the move from the low below, right? And we are pushing to the upside, right? So using our FIB tool, basically, we would just draw from the top of 2023 at the right angle to the bottom. I believe August was the bottom, right? And if we just basically look to locate our Christmas, this should be Christmas 25th, right? We have it right here, right? So we have our two targets. Our first target by Christmas is the $15,000 level, right? So we should be expecting the $15,000 level by Christmas right here for YFI, and that could be a whopping push of about 137%, right? So if we see YFI push, all the conditions are still met, right? For the bullish move, we should be expecting to see YFI at the $15,193 level by Christmas, which is about a whopping push of about how many percent? Let's see that right here. A push of about 135% to the upside, right? So based on our FIB circles, that is what we should be expecting by Christmas if the bullish push continues to occur, right? And so that's the update for today for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.